Hi, welcome to Lily's vlog today in Animal Kingdom.
We're at Animal Kingdom. Woohoo! Well, Christmas time here, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna do some fun things with the troublemakers.
It's a surprise lunch.
And a surprise lunch. We're always eating, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. Well, let's do this.
The troublemakers, yay! Let's do this.
Woohoo! Got some birds flying on sticks. Want to pet a polar bear? Lily? Oh, very cool. Mama and baby bear.
Come on up.
Oh, very cool. Like the Merrily Menagerie or something like that, Lily? Yeah. Let's see the penguin too someday. Ooh, all the decorations, Lily, all the animal lanterns. This will probably be pretty at night. Christmas decorations. So we are in Yak and Yeti. Ooh, we're going to the second floor. We all going?
Over here, okay?
That's a fast elevator. Oh, we have never been on the second floor. Ooh. Wow, this place is a lot bigger than we thought. Thank you. Wow, this is pretty. It's pretty cool. Woohoo! Let's see what they got. Okay, this menu is extensive. This is like an Applebee's menu. I'm sure it's better than Applebee's. Wow! Look at all the things they have. Holy cow. So I'm not going to read them all, but there's a lot. Cute little panda menu for you, huh? Ooh, and here's your choices. So we are at the restaurant, right? Yak and Yeti. And what are Marla and Gus wearing?
Let's do this.
Look at these fancy shirts. Woohoo!
We just need to add the woohoo.
Hey, we can do that. We'll do that in the caption.
Oh, okay.
Nice choice. We love it. All right, so we got some appetizers of the pork egg rolls. and then the wok fried green beans. And I think they're both delicious.
They're both delicious.
And I think even Lily approves of the green beans, right?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, I'll let you eat. Marla, what did you get?
It's a hibachi steak and shrimp meal.
Nice. And Gus, what did you get?
I have a Korean beef.
Ooh, fancy. And I think everybody can guess what Lily got. What did you get?
Mac and cheese and garlic with sauce.
Yes. And I got a rice bowl with veggies and tofu.
It looks really good.
Bon appetit.
Yeah.
Lily, let's do this. Good food, good food.
You know where to look.
All right, sorry, what was your fortune?
Opportunities surround you if you know where to look.
Okay, perfect. Lily, what's your fortune?
know.
Oh, okay, hang on. All right, what's your fortune say?
Share your feelings. It's a path to understand, start understanding and feeling.
Share your feelings? Let's see. Let's see your face.
Let me see your feelings.
What are your feelings today? Not sure? Confused?
Yeah, confused.
Okay. What's Gus's say?
A long lost friend
A long
will be reunited with you.
Oh, whoa. Ooh. Oh, that's interesting. All right, one
Be
more.
careful.
Oh, mine says peace and tranquility are coming close. Oh, good. Thank goodness. All right, Lily, where are we going? Bird show. Ooh, and they got all the lanterns hanging. This will be pretty at night, too. Feathered friends in flight.
That show's over.
You got a cracker. Well, hello there.
3, 2, 1. That was incredible, Myra. Great job. You can join your family. Let's give it up for a volunteer. All right, she's going to scan the crowd. She's looking. She's trying to find you. She sees you. She flies out. She lands. And she takes your money. And the best part is, right in my pocket. Absolutely. Thank you so much. You can have a magical day.
To this bird when he's flying around. I probably should have let off with this though. If you try to duck to get out of his way, he just flies lower. So now you know. But keep your cameras pointed at him. You get great photos and listen to what he sounds like in flight because you're probably not going to hear a thing. Really cool adaptation. Cool adaptation. Of course, he's got some other really cool ones working for him too. You might have noticed those really big eyes he has, right? Those eyes are going to help the scene reduce lighting by starlight and moonlight. And if that wasn't cool enough,
What's your name? Molly! Molly. What's your name? Gabriella. Okay, we're getting into a song here. Did you want to sing together? Did you want to sing in Spanish? Great job! Do you want to sing your song? So these birds are really important to the ecosystem, actually. They're part of nature's cleanup crew. All right, he's gonna do another flight. Let's see it, buddy. Here he goes. Nice. That is so cool. So these birds are kind of like a vulture you might see in your own backyard. They eat dead stuff. Sounds gross, they eat carrion. But to them, it's not only a yummy meal, but it's helping to clean up our planet. So you know what? In a way, they're kind of like nature's recyclers.
hat?
No. We're able to help bring the bald eagle back from the brink of extinction.
That's exactly right. Everybody's efforts paid off. The numbers, they started to climb, and they rose so high, they were taken off the endangered species list. We'd like to leave you with one final wish.
May your hearts take flight and your spirits soar forever. Namaste. Thanks for joining us, everybody. We hope you have a wild rest of your day here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Bye.
Say hello, Mickey. Hello, Minnie. Hello,
Those belongings down on that exit side, okay? Everything right on that wood trunk. Can I take that for you? Beautiful.
Thank you.
All the way in and across.
Say hello. She's driving, yes. What do you think, Lil? Do you like their outfits? Say they're in time for Christmas, yes.
The Mama Dutcher.
Yes.
The Mama Dutcher.
Their shirts, yeah, let's do this.
Nice.
Big Disney, right? Yes.
Perfect. Excellent. First place we're gonna look, my friend, is right over here, my birds. Give me a great smile. 3, 2, and 1.
Look at this animal. There's a big grizzly bear there. I don't know why I've never seen him before.
Perfect. Oh, and hi, hello, and welcome. Welcome to our show. You know, we've been doing this act for over 300 million years.
Frank Chili here. And throw poison quills at their enemies with deadly accuracy.
I never miss. This
Paul!
Come on, keep on coming, keep on coming. She's on a roll.
Hey! What are you guys trying to pull?
Watch it. You're messing up my end. Hold still.
Back off. In case you hadn't noticed, Four Eyes.
Yummers.
Defense is bound by spraying intruders with acid. That's right, acid. Welcome now, he's buff, he's ready, and he's ruining our set. You know, we have other shows to do.
I am a lean, defensive machine. I am the termite eagle. Oh no? I detect more intruders.
No, they're not intruders. No, they're honorary bugs.
No, intruders must be terminated. No exceptions.
The silent but deadly member of the bug world, the stink bug.
Target's ready, click.
All right. Oh, just a second. Let it rip, Claire.
Hey, stop here, man.
No way! You'll never catch me!
Take cover! She's gonna blow!
Blow! Who's gonna blow?
Oh,
Claire, oh, lay off the jerk.
back off, spiders.
Well, it still has a few bugs in it, but that's our show. And now that you're all honorary bugs, Remember, magnifying glasses are for looking at little things, not for burning little things. See ya. Hey. Hey, little fella. Where should you be?
There?
That's right. Good bug. Good little bug.
There he is. And the other one is crossing the river. It's a brave little tortoise. Or she. There's a reindeer. Say hello! Happy feet! Do you have any fish? No, we don't. I'm sorry. I know. I know where some are, though. You can follow me.
Well, if you see any fish, let us know.
We will. Look, he's as tall, or she's as tall as you. Isn't that cute? Say, Lily, say hi. Look at those. Say, nice to meet you, right? Oh, look at how beautiful.
Mama reindeer.
Mama reindeer. Oh, say, where's baby? Oh, baby's over there.
Yes, baby is mistletoe.
Oh, mistletoe. Oh, so cute. See you too. Two little babies. Oh, they're sleeping right on the jut of the rock.
Is anybody dance, you guys?
Pura safari. Guarahini. Guarahini? Kind of sounds like Porchani. Guarahini. Here we go.
Now the black rhinoceros is an isolated animal. It likes to stay by itself for a majority of its adult life, just like me. Now it is the lighter of... Now there was a Nile hippopotamus on the right hand side that just went into the water. Now crocodiles will lay in around 16 to 18 feet long and fully grown. That means if you stood them up on it. Now Harmon Mountain zebras are actually born with the same length of leg that they will have when they are a full grown adult zebra. Right? They will actually not start their day until they wake up and meet and greet every other dog in their pack. If they do not see every other dog in their pack, they will not start their day, and they will go out to look for the lost dog. Yeah. Over here on the left-hand side, we are seeing the wildebeest. Now, the wildebeest will migrate with 1 to 1.5 million of the closest friends and family through Africa following the rain. Because if you follow the rain, you follow the vegetation, and that's what the wildebeest are looking for. It's a good day's meal. Now, we are on the right at the shoulder, which makes them the tallest of the antelope species that we can see out here on the Harambe Wildlife Reserve, as well as the Maasai giraffe. Now the called the cattle. Their horns may look very big and very huge and very heavy, but they're actually quite light. It's because they have a honeycomb-shaped structure on the inside of them that allows them to pump some blood through their horns to cool off on a hotter day. Now we are going to get a great view of the eland as we take this corner. We are also going to get another great view of the Maasai giraffe as we take this corner. The giraffes have a tongue that's about 18 inches long. This is long enough for them to lick their own eyeball and pick their own nose just with that tongue.
That's disgusting.
Portion of the skull.
Here they are. How many?
We can tell that these are the Maasai giraffe because of the shapes of their spots. Their spots are a lot more rigid compared to the reticulated giraffes you might also find here in Africa. Now the greater flamingos are the biggest of the flamingo family. They are the least pink of the flamingo family. They won't turn this beautiful pink until they start their diet of beta-carotene and rich foods like shrimp and krill.
You could do that job. Feed the flamingos.
Actually, they hatched a grayish color. They'll eat about 4 to 6% of their body weight a day. And they will like we are also seeing some ostriches over there on the right hand side as well. We'll get a better view of the lizards as we take this corner. Looks like we are going to see.
Put him in your backpack.
Now the white rhino.
I'll get right on that.
In their name, but may mistranslated word. This word is to get that milk. So they get to take it turned into goat's butter, goat cheese, goat lotion, as well as a myriad of other goat products. Or they're able to take that goat.
There's a tree up there too. Just sitting on a rock.
Free extra food that they could always leave behind with rabbits that clean up. The big male that you might have seen on the other side by the window. I don't know if
They're awake.
less aggressive.
If you just don't mind taking a step to your left, and just stepping in.
So these are the animals. I haven't seen the owl yet. But these people are dressing up as.
He's back there to have some fish with you.
We are on Pandora. Look at all the lights, Lily. Oh, Marla. Marla got brain freeze from her night blossom.
Oh, Lord.
You should have learned by now.
I'm still sipping it. I don't know what happened.
Look at the lanterns, Lily.
As night falls on your adventure, we gather in the glow of the tree of life, sharing in the spirit of the holiday season and the special magic it brings. With the assurance of the changing seasons, the spirits of the animals awaken, ushering in the holidays with a warmth we hold the whole year round. We welcome you to celebrate the wonder of the holidays and unwrap the gifts of nature that only come this time of year.
Animal Kingdom's Christmas tree. So pretty. All right, Lily, did we have a good day?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Hello, Malaka.
Of course.
We had a good time hanging out with you guys.
How was the meet and greet the first time?
Yes, we wore the meet and greet for the first time.
No. Meet and greet. How was
Oh,
that?
the meet and greet was amazing.
How was that?
I love it. I love it.
I love seeing them in their like holiday costumes and stuff, right?
Yeah.
And the decorations are pretty.
Yeah.
Around here, they're all different in each kind of land, right? I didn't get it close up. Maybe next time, right? And we saw, who did we see last night?
Oh, Supergirl. Supergirl.
Also known as
Shirley.
Cherie. And James,
And
right?
James.
It was so nice meeting up with them. That was their first time meeting Marla and Gus, right? They were super excited.
So sweet. They were so sweet.
They
Yes.
were so happy, excited to see us.
So we hope they had a safe trip home, and we'll put some footage
Yes.
in of them.
Hopefully they have
Right.
a safe trip.
Yes. All right. Well, what do you got to say?
Thank you for me, like, I love you guys. Bye.
Bye. All right, Lily, where are we tonight?
Coronado Springs.
And who did we meet at Coronado Springs?
Shirley and Jamie.
Say hello.
Hi, everyone.
Hello,
Say hi, James.
Cherie.
And it's Cherie. Lily always calls her Shirley
But
for
she
joking.
called me Lily.
Yes.
They call me Shirley.
Otherwise, Surfer
and
Girl.
He's James, but he's Jamie.
He's Jamie to Lily because she likes to tease, right?
Yeah.
But you guys got to meet Gus and Marla for the first time.
Absolutely.
And what did we do that
Well,
we love?
I'm so popular for eating. And I look like I have to do it for the people. You know.
Woohoo! Yeah, exactly. We had trademark it.
Yeah.
Yes. Say thank you so much for meeting with us, right? We hope to see you again. Yes. Oh well. All right. So what are we gonna say?
No, not the Gus dance right there.
We did the Gus
No,
dance.
not.
Yes, we did. All right. What are we doing? There. Perfect. Great job, you guys.
I love you guys. Bye. Hey, Shirley, and see you coming, Shirley.
What's up?
The Supergirl, Shirley forgot to tell how Mama got the first time react.
All right. Those two huckleberries over there. What did you think when you first saw them, Marla and Gus? Like Lily wants to know.
I was happy. I couldn't believe that they come to meet me.
Yeah.
Say, of course they would, right?
And I'd seen them so much on video, I already thought I knew them, but meeting them in person was really, really awesome.
You guys are too sweet.
Yeah.
There. Is that what you wanted, little
There
girl?
you go.
All right.
Come and die. Oh my God!
Are you happy now?
Yes.